Yo, what's going on? Welcome back to my channel. I'm JR and this is Motivation on Everything. We're continuing where we left off from last video. I'm going over everything that I have in my emergency snatch and go bag. So if you're just now tuning in, you're about 6 videos behind. So when you get a chance, go ahead and click on my channel and catch up on all the things that I reviewed in my bag. Today we'll be starting part 7. These videos are to motivate you to put together a bag of your own and prepare for the unknown. Overall, my channel is about motivation on everything, so it will be many topics that I go over and talk about. If you have any suggestions on a motivational video that you think I should make, go ahead and comment that down below and let me know. Now, the next 2 items that I'm reviewing today are not necessarily a must-have in my bag, but I thought it would be a useful thing to have in my bag anyway. So before we get started, if you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you can receive notifications on new videos that'll keep you motivated. Now let's jump right into it. Okay, what's up you guys? So today I brought my bag out to show you the 2 items that I have that I'm about to pull out. And I did that because I wanted to let you know that I actually was able to fit these 2 items in my bag just in case you thought it was too big. So let's go ahead and open it up and I'm gonna show you what I have. As you can see, I was able to pull these 2 items out of my snatch and go bag. These are not as big as you think they are, but they do open up to a foldable table and a collapsible seat. So let's go ahead and put these 2 together and see how they look. So here we have the seat, and this right here I thought was really cool that it was actually small. Let's open it up and try it out. So all you have to do is put your 2 fingers right here and the other 2 on the other side and twist open, and you let it lock in place right there. If you can see, these little guards right here will lock in place on the side, and you just sit it right there. I'm gonna go ahead and test it out. And if you look on the side right here, it has a little charging port so you can charge your devices. I thought that was a cool added feature. But the only thing I didn't like about this seat is that you had to buy a separate seat cushion to put on there. And other than that, I thought it was a very useful thing to have when you're trying to sit down on the outdoors. The next thing we have is our table. So let's go ahead and unfold this, put it together. These hooks have a nice handle to carry it. Legs that you can add on to make it taller. So you go ahead and flip it around. You put the latch down to lock it in place. And now you have your table and the seat to go with it. Right here, I can just sit down, have my meals while I'm outside, and don't have to worry about sitting anywhere else. I have my own seat and I have my own table. Okay, so my overall review for these 2 items, I thought they were okay. Like I said, I wouldn't consider these to be something that you must have in your emergency bag, but something that would be useful to have when you're out camping or something. I thought the table was nice. It was easy to set up The only thing I really didn't like was the color, to be honest. Not really a big deal, but I would prefer the color black or something like that. As far as the seat, I thought it was pretty cool. And I was actually surprised on how small it is, and it said it was able to hold up to 400 pounds. So it was able to hold my weight, and I was pleased with that. The only thing that I didn't like is that I had to purchase a separate piece, this cushions. So that was my only dislike. If you thought these two items would be something that you would want for yourself, I'm gonna leave a link in the description for you to make that purchase. Well, that's it for now. I hope this video was useful, and maybe it might be something that you would like to add on to your bag. Now, this bag doesn't just have to be for emergency use only. It can also be used for camping as well. We're almost at the end. Got one more video to go, so stay tuned for that. Now, let's end it off with saying, don't ever give up. Stay strong. Let's see what works. Until next time, stay motivated.